Amazing Japanese rice serum for your skin. You'll be amazed to know there is a simple Japanese miracle in your kitchen that can make your skin smooth, clear, and young like silk. A serum that no expensive or complicated product can match. In this video, I'll reveal the secret to making an amazing homemade serum with rice, Japanese style, that rebuilds your skin from the roots and makes it glow so much you won't believe it. Stay tuned for hidden tips and special tricks because this is not an ordinary tutorial. Before anything else, turn on CC and choose your subtitle language. Now, let's get to the recipe. Take 6 tablespoons of rice. Boil 2 cups of water. Meanwhile, wash the rice well. When the water boils, add the rice and let it cook for 20 minutes until very soft. Rice contains antioxidants and vitamin B that help brighten and make your skin glow. Rice is rich in inositol and ferulic acid. These compounds help tighten the skin and reduce wrinkles. Rice water can naturally hydrate dry and dehydrated skin without any oiliness. When the rice is soft, mash it well with a hand blender. Pass it through a fine cloth or sieve. You will get a smooth, clear, thick, and soft liquid with no grains. Do you have questions or your own skincare secrets? Write them in the comments, I read all of them. Add 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Add 2 tablespoons of rose water. Glycerin is a powerful humectant. It attracts moisture from the air and holds it inside the skin layers. It makes the skin soft, smooth, and hydrated without feeling oily or heavy. It helps rebuild the skin's protective layer and prevents dryness, cracks, and irritation. With constant hydration, glycerin prevents fine lines and surface wrinkles. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties and helps calm red, irritated, or sunburned skin. It balances the skin's natural pH and reduces excessive oiliness or dryness. Now, add 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil contains essential fatty acids that deeply hydrate the skin without making it too oily. Regular use of sweet almond oil brightens the skin and reduces dark spots and under-eye circles. Add 1 tablespoon of vitamin E. Vitamin E protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals and environmental pollution and slows down skin aging. It helps improve skin texture and speeds up healing of wounds, scars, and skin damage. Vitamin E helps keep the skin moisturized and prevents dryness and flaking. It has anti-inflammatory properties and can reduce redness, irritation, and skin sensitivities. Vitamin E can reduce the harmful effects of UV rays and makes the skin more resistant to sun damage. You can keep this serum in the fridge for 10 days. Now, apply the serum on your face, neck, and hands, and after 20 minutes, wash it off with cold water. You can use it 3 times a week and wait for your skin miracle. Thank you for watching my video. Every comment helps this community grow, don't be shy. I really want to hear from you. Write your results or questions below.